Hey guys, we're here today with the SUPMIND candle making kit. So we just got this and we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Bought this for my daughter and I to do, and we're both kind of interested in making some candles.
Okay.
All right, so some labels there.
Yes.
Very
so
cool.
There's a ton of different options. Like if you have different, other than just this kit, if you have other, there's a lot of extra. Like a lot of extra.
All right.
So it comes with 7 candles.
Okay.
You can only make 7 candles. Okay. So a lot of bags of wax, soy wax.
Cool.
A lot. Okay.
Wow, yeah, that's a lot. That's great.
It's 1 candle per bag, so that's probably why.
Yeah.
So these are these things, the wicks, and they have little sticker things to keep them in there.
Oh, I couldn't see that. Sorry, I wasn't looking.
So they have little sticker things to keep it in.
Okay.
So
Kind of like that video we watched.
Yeah.
You were saying you had to have this.
And then these are really cool. So they're little hearts and they're the dyes. So you can color them. It's really cool. They'll like melt in the water. Then all these flavors. I'm not gonna read all of them. Should I?
Oh, you can just show them. I can show them to them. Maybe say 1 or 2.
So there's like, it's a lot of like flowers and stuff. There's one more down here.
I'll show them this way.
More wax.
Cool. Lavender, orange, rose. All right. Some
So
more wax.
it comes with these sizes of jars.
Okay.
And then it comes with 2 of these jars. And then it comes with the pot for it, I guess.
Yeah. Okay.
So, gosh, I'm gonna break everything.
No, you're good. I think this stuff's probably pretty hard to break.
So, what I thought was really cool is there's a gold tin.
Oh, it's hidden in there. That's cool.
Yeah. So this is like, so you can measuring cup basically. So the gold, and then there's a mixing spoon.
Okay.
Special.
Yep.
And then there's more of those. I have a few that's out here. And then it comes with this.
Thermometer.
Yeah.
Cool. And then what's this? Oh, just more
There's
cups.
more
and stuff.
jars.
I thought it was nice too, these bamboo tops that come on it.
They're really cute.
So I'm gonna give a view of that really quick. It's a nice seal on it. Nice wood.
There's
and then
1, 2, I think there's 4 different colors. Not including the little ones.
it's kind of a look inside there.
Blue,
cool.
pink, yellow, and white. And then the gold and black.
All right, let's make some candles and we'll do another video about it. All right.